Remove the air pressure regulating valve. Install it on the back of the machine. One end of the air pressure regulating valve is connected to the trachea of the machine. One end is connected to the air compressor trachea. Press in. The other end of the trachea is connected to an external air compressor. Secure the air pressure regulator to the machine. Align the two screws to the two holes and tighten them. Tighten with a hexagonal screwdriver. You need to push the blue ring inward to connect the air source. Adjust the pressure according to the test requirements. Cut the sample with a diameter of 2953 mm and a thickness of 12.5 millimeters. Place the sample on the two round bolts of the circular test bench. Push the clamping rod and press the sample. Place the pendulum gently in the vertical position. Loosen the adjustment knob. Rotate the adjustment knob. Adjust the gap between the test piece and the pendulum so that it is in slight contact. Rotate the fixed adjustment knob clockwise. Power on the instrument. Enter the test interface. 3 blank tests are required first. Lift the pendulum and fix it in the release lever. Click to test. Pendulum releases, falls. Pendulum hits the test piece once and lifts it up immediately. Repeat this 3 times to do not record. Click to enter the reset. Press the reset button. Lift the pendulum and fix it in the release rod. Press the test button to release the pendulum. Lift the pendulum immediately after hitting the test piece once. Repeat the test 3 times. At the end of the test, click the result button. View the test results.